welcome my boy as I teach him how to do this. That just to tell you that I am a tutor, so I can teach anybody to learn how to do it, and the person will perfect on it by just following me and watching my video. Then you can learn on how to do it yourself. So can I welcome my boy now as he comes to the camera while I teach him how to do it. Come closer. Guys, welcome Mr. Wisdom as he learn how to do this now. So just watch just a demonstration. I will show him how he can handle it, and from there he take it off from me while I do other things. Mr. Wisdom, this is the SIM card for it. All these SIM cards is what we are using to configure this. Then we have the memory cards. So memory cards comes in sizes, that's by the capacity of storage they can handle. We have 64 gig, we have 120 gig like this, we have 32 gig. This is 32 gig. This is 32 gig. So this is SIM card, this is MTM SIM card. Though most of the times the camera comes with its own international SIM card, as you can see. So we have this Elliott Club that gives us a SIM card. So if you need this kind of SIM card, that means you have to contact me specially to get it. So the configuration will be done with MTN because that is what is available currently in our location. So I'll be using this to do. So you watch me as I unveil this. For the sake of the installation, we don't need to be opening all the panels. I'll be using all the panels. So we are just going to use one panel to configure all the cameras. Then after that, when we get to the site, we can now be fixing the cameras the way they should be. But now it is just for an installation, which is the configuration with our phones. So do this. Bring down the carton. So that notes, this is it. From what I explained to you, this is lights, and this thing comes on when the place is dark or in the night in order to get the exact image that comes around. This is fixed camera and this is the rotatable one. So first you have to observe this very well and see where you open and insert your SIM card. These are the ports. The reset button is here. This port is for memory card. If you open it, you can now see port for memory card, port for SIM card. You see the SIM card. The best way to do it is using your picker. Use your picker like this. Let it click like this. You can see. Cut my hand. First, you observe where the connectors are. The connectors are up, therefore the chip of the SIM card should be up so that you can connect with it. So because it is like this now, if you gentle press of it, you see, the moment it clips, you know it's okay. That's clipped properly. Then inside this memory card, to open this memory card, you don't need to be tearing this or tearing this one. All you need to do is you look at this environment now. Ensure that you are working with what is here, which is this mark that is given. To open it, just come here, give it a mark. I've gotten this, so I will now come back here. I don't need to tear it. You see there is a small space here. Just follow the space and it will open like this. Now bring my memory card out. Come close to the camera so that they will see you. You see the position of the memory card. See the arrows here, so you come here, insert it like this. That's clips. So you turn on the camera and close the ports. Why do we need to close this? So that there will be no penetration of water, because the chips and also the connections, if there is water there, it can bridge it and get the camera burned. And remember that this is IP65. So then bring in your panel, connect it like this. Use your phone. The app is U-Box, so you come to the app. As you can see this phone now, select. After selecting, because it is already on the phone, so what do? I need to add this device, and our device is 4G, so you go to 4G setup.
Insert the SIM card, install the camera, install the antenna, then power on the device. The blue LED will light up after about 1 minute. Click Next.
Yeah, make sure you follow the instruction. This is to configure it. You click OK, then bring it close to this.
Enter the camera name and address. Using default name and address can go to the next step directly.
So this is the fourth camera, so I'm going to change the name.
Camera installed successfully. Fully charge the camera at first use.
See, the camera is successful. So I'll do this. You can see your clothes, see my clothes. And so everything I'm doing, it is picturing it. So because of time, I'm not going to go into the settings. We are just close it and do another one. Before you disconnect, you have to off your camera first. Then you bring in your carton bag packaging. Please call him. So now I've shown my boy how to do this, and I just want to give him a text by allowing him do it himself. So that is the SIM card. I'll watch him insert the SIM. So we teach by practical learning. Does it enter? No. If it enter like that, you push it wrongly. That is for memory card.